It's the one thing that drives every single person in this hobby crazy.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
You go out, you buy the fancy bottle of fertilizer, it's got a nice green label, you follow the instructions perfectly,
To the milliliter.
and a week later, your plants are still just melting. It feels like you need a chemistry degree to grow a simple Java fern.
It's a classic pain point. And, the issue usually isn't that the product is bad. It's that we treat them like magic potions.
Yeah, just pour this in and you get a green box.
Exactly. But the sources we looked at for this deep dive all agree on one thing.
Which is?
Aquaristics is not mathematics. There is no single perfect dosing scheme.
So it's not about the brand name then? It's not about Tetra versus Seacham?
Not at all. It's about the philosophy inside the bottle. And you're basically choosing between two camps: stability or control.
Okay, let's break that down.
Yeah.
Stability sounds safe. That's the all-in-one bottle, right? The Tetra approach.
That's the one. These formulas use really strong chemical stabilizers. They're called chelates. Think of a chelate as like a tiny protective claw that holds on to the nutrient.
Okay.
It stops it from breaking down too fast in the water. It just releases it slowly over a week, sometimes longer. It's designed so you really can't mess it up.
That sounds perfect. So why would anyone not choose that? Why would you buy the Seacham line with like 5 different bottles for everything?
Because you're trading that safety for performance. The pro lines, they often ditch those strong stabilizers. Let's take iron. That's the perfect example.
All right.
Tetra's iron uses a super stable chelate. It just hangs out. Seacham's Flourish iron, on the other hand, uses ferrous gluconate.
Gluconate. That sounds like glucose. Is that sugar-based?
It essentially is. It's a much weaker bond. It's like pure candy for plants. They can absorb it almost instantly.
Oh, wow.
You know those super red plants you see in pictures? Gluconate is what makes them pop. But there's a catch.
Of course there is.
Because it's organic, the bacteria in your filter love it too. They eat it, so it degrades incredibly fast.
So wait a minute. If I buy that Pro Iron and I dose it once a week, like the beginner bottle?
You're starving your plants.
Yep. Yeah.
By day 2, maybe day 3, almost all of that iron is gone.
So you're signing up for a daily dosing routine?
Daily, or every other day at least.
Yeah.
You trade convenience for that immediate uptake.
That is a massive difference that is not clear on the label. And the sources pointed out something even riskier with nitrogen.
Ah, yes. The nitrogen bottle.
I just assumed nitrogen was, nitrogen.
You'd think so. But if you look at the ingredients on Seacham nitrogen, it's a mix. It's potassium nitrate and urea, also called carbamide.
Urea, hold on. Urea breaks down into ammonia, doesn't it? Isn't that like rule number 1 of fish keeping? Never add ammonia.
This is where context is absolutely everything. If you pour urea into a brand new tank with a few new plants,
Algae City.